Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're comparing two of the most popular flooring options out there, vinyl and laminate. Whether you're renovating your home or just curious about the best choice for your space, we've got you covered. We'll break down everything from looks and durability to cost and installation. Let's jump right in. Appearance and style. First up, let's talk about style. Both vinyl and laminate can mimic the look of natural materials like wood and stone. Laminate flooring generally offers a more realistic wood appearance, thanks to its high-definition photographic layer. On the other hand, vinyl comes in a broader range of styles, including intricate patterns and textures. If you're looking for a natural wood look, laminate might have the edge, but if versatility is key, vinyl wins. 2. Durability and water resistance. Next is durability. Vinyl flooring is fully waterproof, making it ideal for moisture-prone areas like kitchens, bathrooms, and basements. Laminate, while water-resistant, can suffer damage if exposed to too much water, so it's better suited for living rooms and bedrooms. Both are durable and can handle daily wear and tear, but vinyl's waterproof nature gives it a significant advantage in areas where spills or moisture are a concern. 3. Comfort and installation. When it comes to comfort, laminate is generally thicker and feels warmer underfoot, making it a cozy choice for bedrooms and living spaces. Vinyl can be softer if you use an underlayment, but it tends to be cooler. Both options are DIY-friendly with click-lock systems that make installation straightforward, but vinyl is often easier to work with in tricky or uneven spaces because it's more flexible. 4. Cost and longevity. Let's talk cost. Both vinyl and laminate are budget-friendly, but laminate usually comes with a lower upfront price. However, vinyl's waterproof nature means it often has a longer lifespan, particularly in moisture-prone areas, making it potentially more cost-effective over time. If you're considering long-term value, vinyl might be the better choice despite a slightly higher initial cost. So, which flooring is right for you? If you need waterproof durability in a wide range of styles, vinyl might be your go-to. But if you're after a realistic wood look with a warmer feel underfoot, laminate could be the better pick. Both options offer great value and can elevate your home style without breaking the bank. If you found this comparison helpful, subscribe, give us a thumbs up for more home renovation tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy renovating.